Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Otter for transcript-assisted edits, full guide step-by-step clearly. To authenticate with Otter, start by visiting the Otter website or downloading the mobile app. Once you're on the website or app, locate the Sign Up or Login button. If you're a new user, click on Sign Up. You will have the option to register using your email address or a third-party account like Google. Select your preferred method and fill in the necessary information. After submitting your information, check your email for a confirmation link if you registered via email. Click the confirmation link to activate your account. If you're logging in with an existing account, enter your credentials in the designated fields. Once logged in, you may be prompted to provide additional information to set up your profile. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your profile setup. To enable transcript-assisted edits, navigate to the Settings menu. In the Settings, look for Transcription Preferences. Enable the transcription feature if it isn't already turned on. Upload an audio or video file that you want to transcribe. Otter will automatically generate a transcript for your uploaded content. Once the transcription is complete, you can access it in your dashboard. Review the transcript for accuracy and make any necessary edits. Highlight sections of the transcript to add comments or notes if needed. Use the search feature to find specific phrases or keywords easily. If you need to share the transcript, click on the Share button to generate a link. Copy the link and send it to anyone you want to collaborate with. Make sure to save your changes regularly to avoid any data loss. Finally, log out of your account when you're finished working with Otter to ensure security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.